Hello friends, so as we all know, today we are going to start from making our first web page. So for making our first web page, we need to write an HTML script. So let's start with it. So I've made a folder named first HTML. So I'll open it from Visual Studio Code. I've added some images, some example images. So we'll see them later. Yes, I trust the authors as it's on my file. Then we'll make a file named as script.html. We'll use this .html extension in order to write our HTML script. So now this greater than and less than sign and this exclamation mark is used for comments. This is the basic HTML script we need to write for our every HTML code. So yep, we'll start. Then this doc type HTML is nothing but a comment section, and this HTML to HTML is nothing but the main part of our script. Now this part is nothing but the comment. So write comment. So to write comment in HTML, we can use this as to write comments. Now the HTML tag is the first starting tag and the last ending tag we have in our HTML script. So this HTML is nothing but the first starting and the ending tag. So as if for now we don't need this part, we'll remove it. And yeah, so let's see this. Yes, this head tag, yeah, and this title tag. So this is used to write title. So we'll see that this title where it comes in our web page. So let's see. Now I'll save it from Control S, yes, and open with live server. It's loading. Yes. Yeah, so here the document comes, yes, then on our web page here the document comes, the title comes here. So now if we write something here without any tag, it has been printed on our web page. So for example, if we write hello world, yes, then it will get printed on our web page. It will be executed here, yes. Yeah, so now to save our file in order that it gets open as a web page, we need to save our file in .html extension. Only then our file will get opened as an web page. Yes, now let's see. Now we'll see the H1 to H6 tag. It is nothing but it is used to increase or to decrease the size of the font. So let's see the H1 tag. The starting tag and the closing tag. Yeah, here it is. And if we write something here, this is the biggest font we have in H1 to H6. The biggest is H1, then the smallest is H6, and it goes on from H1 to H6. It decreases. Now the H2 tag and the closing tag for it. Yes. If we write something here, let's see how it gets printed. Hello people. Sorry, people. The H3 tag. We'll execute this first. Yeah. So hello has been printed bigger than people. So this is the biggest tag, then comes the people, then comes the H2 tag. Then we'll see H3 tag. Yeah, then H3. Hi. Yes. Now the H4 tag. We'll write the same word in every tag. So it would be easy to understand the font size. We'll write HTML in every tag. Okay, HTML, HTML, and HTML. Yeah. So let's see the difference between all these tags. Yeah, then yeah, the biggest is H1, then H2, then H3 is the smaller, and the H4 is the smallest one among these four. So H5 is more smaller and H6 is the smallest one. So if we write H6 tag here and the closing tag for both, yes, H5 tag, yes, HTML and HTML. So let's see now what happens. Yeah, so H1 to H6, the first one is H1 and the last one is H6. So the biggest font is H1, whereas the smallest font is H6 here. So this is basically used to give heading in whichever font size we want. Okay.